What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video. We're doing another mystery box. And I said I was going to get off mystery boxes. I did probably 2 of these in my life on this YouTube channel. One from Chinatown Market, which is now just called Market. And another one from some... shoot, I don't know, I'll link it. But it was a sneaker store out in New York. And they sent me a very mediocre mystery box. Both, I believe... well, no, Chinatown Marketplace was, I think, 150 or maybe 100. They're both $100 mystery boxes, I think, and so is this one. But you know, they all came in bags, not in boxes. Same as this product here. This one Feature, one of my favorite boutiques. They're out in Las Vegas. Check them out for sure. They have a lot of dope sneaker releases, obviously, but their gear is hot. They do a lot of MLB hats. This isn't one of them, but they do a lot of dope colorways. They do the pins, all that type of stuff. And they do a lot of decent clothing. So this particular drop was a holiday special that they did. I think it was for Black Friday. I can't remember. But $200 mystery box for $100. And it's all Feature gear. So I want to try out some of their gear, see what it looks like. It's fairly weighty, $100. Let's get into it. Alright. Oh, double wrap. One bag, and a Feature bag. So that's that. I did variable sizing. Double X hoodie, single X pants. So, alright. This is Feature. Oh, okay. And okay. So 2. Alright. They gave me a they gave me a whole melting crew neck UNLV. Oh, this is kind of dope. Okay, so I got a crew neck and a pair of sweatpants. All right, these say $110 retail for these sweatpants, and luckily I don't have a pair of green sweatpants like this, and I did not plan this outfit for this whole thing. So all this green is pretty ironic, but these are nice sweatpants, man. Nice, good terry cloth. It says. I think that says, what does that say? Alaska on there? What the hell does that say? That's kind of, oh, Calabasas. Good old Calabasas. Right there. It says Calabasas on the drum. Oh, on these shorts. Nice, soft terry cloth. Good string here. I ain't mad at that. It says Feature right here. On your left. Love it. I might rock this tomorrow. Shit. Looks comfortable. Alright, that's one piece. And here is, this is definitely a crew neck sweater, I think. UNLV. Okay, so that's Calabasas, UNLV crew neck. This is a little bit of a darker shade of green with a very colorful UNLV logo on it. Alright, I don't know anything about what Feature does. I do not know. I know this is a collab, I guess, with UNLV. That is kind of fresh, though. I like the way that looks. You know, yeah, I think this is definitely... Alright, so $100 for this. Shoot, how much was this? This was... that was 110. How much was this? Ugh. Threw the tag on the floor. This is... I ripped it. $140. So yeah. So roughly $250 worth of stuff at retail for them for $100. How would I rate this? Like, if you're into stuff like mystery boxes and not sneaker ones, because you all heard about the controversies going on with the sneaker mystery boxes. Especially at Sneaker Con. Shout out to them. I gotta check them out when they come to DC again. I'm gonna give this one definitely a 9 out of 10. This is the highest one I'd rate, because the Chinatown Market one I did like. There was a couple pieces. Actually, I haven't unwrapped everything. I've only worn a couple pieces from that. But this one here is just, look, it's a dope little sweatsuit. You can rock it casually. $100 for a nice sweatsuit type of ensemble, and you're getting a, you know, little sports logo thing, nice quality, everything. Like I said, Feature is one of my favorite boutiques to shop from. You catch a good sale on there, you get Stone Island, you get all types of good stuff, BBC stuff. you know, Babe, anything. They have it all on there. I order from them frequently, and you can catch like a dope pair of shoes for cheap sometimes. So yeah, definitely a 9 out of 10 on this mystery box. Will it be my last one from them? Maybe. It won't. I mean, probably won't be my last one from them, but whatever. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, check us out in the next video, and yeah, let me know if you want more content like this too, because you know I'm trying to shift away from buying so many sneakers and shifting to more practical things. I'm gonna go from a collector standpoint from moving forward. Only sneakers that I want to wear, and only sneakers that I want to collect. I have a whole bunch of shoes I need to get rid of, like just a whole lot. So yeah, let me know. And it's been another one. 12 Health TV. We out. Peace.